back to my channel. My name is Martha and I make and share videos in all things sweet and delicious. Today we're making puff puff. Puff puff is one of Nigerian mostly rice snacks served at parties, and we always buy them at sweet street corners, and it's always so delicious. If you ever wondered why a puff puff comes out flat, oily or too hard, don't worry. By the end of this video you will become a puff puff pro. Here are the ingredients we are using for this recipe: flour, sugar, corn flour, yeast, nutmeg, salt, and a pinch of baking powder. Flavor, and of course some warm water. In a bowl, add the flour, sugar, yeast, corn flour, salt, baking powder, and nutmeg. Add the flavor and then add the warm water, little by little. Don't put everything at once. Mix with your hand or a wooden spoon or a whisk, just like I'm doing. Mix this until it's smooth and silky. It shouldn't be watery like pap, and it shouldn't be as thick as a bread dough. Somewhere in between. This is where some people make mistakes. If your batter is too thick, the puff puff will come out hard. If it's too watery, it will soak up too much oil. So aim for that stretchy, smooth consistency that can fall off a spoon slowly. Once you get that texture, cover the bowl with a clean kitchen towel or wrap with a clean film and let it rest for at least 45 minutes to 1 hour. And please don't rush this step, oh. This is when the yeast does its magic. After an hour, check your batter, see how it's doubled in size. If it's full of bubbles, then it's ready for frying. That's what we want. But if it's flat, that means the yeast isn't working. Pour enough oil into a pot or a pan. We need the oil to be deep enough for the puff puff to float. Set the pot on medium heat. Okay, now you need to know this. To test if your oil is ready, drop a small piece of butter into it. If it rises slowly to the top and starts bubbling, it is good. If it sinks without bubbling, the oil is cold. If the puff-puff turns brown instantly, the oil is too hot. So reduce the heat. Scoop the batter. Traditionally, we use our hands. Just grab some batter and squeeze it out between your thumb and fingers into the oil. But if you are not comfortable with that, use a spoon or ice cream scoop. It works same. Drop the batter gently into the oil. Don't overcrowd the pot. Give them space to cook evenly. Fry on medium heat and turn them often so they cook through and become golden brown. The puff-puff is browning too quickly. Oil is too hot. Reduce the heat. If they are staying pale for too long, increase it slightly. The goal is golden brown on the outside and fully cooked on the inside. As they cook, you will notice them getting that perfect round shape. No need to panic if they are not perfectly round. They will still taste amazing. If you want perfectly round ones, make sure your batter is the right consistency and your oil is deep enough. Once they are done, use a slotted spoon to take them out of the heat and dump them in a paper towel to drain the excess oil. And look at that. It smells like heaven. It's so good. You can enjoy them as they are, or you can take them up a notch. Roll them in cinnamon sugar for a sweet twist. This is so good, guys. If you haven't tried this, you need to try it. It's so perfect, and your guests will go wild. You can also drizzle chocolate or caramel sauce on them, and that's to taste amazing. Or simply dip them in a peanut butter sauce like this. I love this one. This is my favorite one. Or you can stuff them with jam, or you can just dip them in whipped cream. You guys, you can always add a twist to your paws to make them come out exquisite and like giving it that dessert worthiness. What do you usually enjoy your puffs with? Zobo, Fanta, beer, or you just like them plain? Tell me in the comment section. I would like to know. I'll be making a video soon on pop variations. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel so you don't miss out on these amazing recipes. Please, if you watch this video to this extent, please give it a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section and share with your friends. It might be the only chance this video has to going viral. See you in my next video. Bye.